Before we begin, a quick line about why I am sharing this with you. My name is Sree. I have spent my life on both sides of the table as a student, a developer, a tech leader, and a hiring stakeholder. I was fortunate to serve as the IT head at KLM Airlines, working with global engineering teams long before AI became a buzzword. Today, I am an AI robotics evangelist, an active developer, and a trainer, still building systems hands on, including AI driven robotics. So, what you are about to hear is not theory, it is lived experience. I see this confusion daily, not just in classrooms, but even among working professionals. On LinkedIn alone, where I'm connected with 25,000 plus engineers and tech leaders, the same question keeps coming back. AI is everywhere, but where do I fit? I'll be honest with you, when I worked in enterprise environments like KLM, wrong technology bets didn't just waste time, they cost millions. For a student, the cost is even higher because the currency is years of your life. This framework didn't come from Google searches. It came from years of watching how real teams are structured, how AI projects fail, and how successful engineers actually grow inside organizations. We will understand these 5 tracks that are available for us to choose from. Next 5 slides will bring clarity, that is from confusion to clarity. Track 1 is data, AI, machine learning, where you can be a data scientist, ML engineer, AI engineer. Here, what is important is understanding statistics well, because it's all about data and making sense or bringing insights from data. So before jumping into machine learning, make sure that you have strong foundation in statistics. So more than programming, statistics play a role here. Then track 2, cloud, DevOps, and infrastructure. Now here, you could be a cloud engineer, DevOps engineer, site reliability engineer, SRE. I have conducted several workshops on DevOps in past years. I was an AWS certified DevOps professional. Here also now AI is beginning to play a role. Anything related to machine learning, AI, large language models, etc. Finally, they have to run on some computer, and normally that is going to be cloud computer, and there will be some kind of an automated process that runs, updates, infers, etc. For this, techies will continue to be required. If you are interested in servers, if you like to work with command line, if you love Linux, then you could explore this path. No statistics, no mathematics, not even coding, but understanding servers, networks, etc. are required. So the tools are easy, but architecture is where human intervention is required. Most freshers learn specific tools, but fail to understand the system architecture or production realities that bind them together. So overall picture is lost. Some students may study Docker, some students may get AWS certified, but they will not know how they are applied in real life, how Kubernetes is able to orchestrate Docker containers, etc. If you look at my past certifications, I was a certified Kubernetes administrator. I was a certified solutions architect for AWS and DevOps professional. And I'm also GitLab CI/CD certified. So I can say this with authority. Next is cybersecurity and AI security. Here you can be a security analyst, a cloud security engineer. And here, what I want to tell you is after the large language model explosion, it has become much easier even for a fresher to enter in this space. So if you have an investigative mind and if you love servers, this is a path that you can choose. So cybersecurity looks exciting from the outside, but requires a specific mindset. Many enter without realizing psychological demands. You need to prevent attacks. You also need to have the presence of mind during an attack, what all you need to do and how you will learn from that incident so that you prevent recurrence of such incidents. And also you need to ensure that data backup is happening properly so you can quickly restore data and prevent loss. All these aspects will fall into cybersecurity and AI security. I've also created a video on AI and security aspects when you deploy large language model based applications, how you set the guardrails. So next is AI augmented software engineering. So here you can be a full stack developer or a backend engineer. And all these places you can plug in AI. I have created over 50 videos on different applications of this mechanism. This involves coding. So what is a full stack developer? Full stack developer will know the front end UI that will include the front end libraries, including HTML, JavaScript, CSS, etc., and the styling libraries and the Interact libraries like Next.js, React.js, etc., and then the backend Node.js or Python. And there will be continued demand for professionals in this space. And from my experience, it is difficult to train someone to be a full stack developer or a backend engineer if they're not naturally inclined to it. So it is very difficult to find professionals with this experience. So in spite of the vibe coding or AI driven coding, demand for full stack developer and a backend developer and a backend engineer will continue to grow. So don't prepare for 2018 style developer jobs in 2026 market. Industry now rewards those who can build complete solutions, not just write syntax. And embedded systems and edge AI, embedded engineer, IoT engineer, robotics. So AI is moving off the cloud into electronic devices are called edge devices. We all have experience Alexa, etc. And AI-driven robotics is going to be the in thing in coming years. We are starting a detailed series on AI-driven robotics. So if you're good in electronics and if you love working with moving devices that are intelligent, then this is a field that you can choose. And this is going to continue to grow. This is a new space. Remember to watch my robotics series videos on my channel, TechieTalksAI. I am also NVIDIA GenAI Certified. I have trained hundreds of engineers over the years as a tech trainer, a developer, and a mentor. The ones who struggled were not less intelligent. They simply specialized before they understood the battlefield. So they choose the path based on hype rather than fit, and they invest time before validating the direction. Before you spend too much time, understand your natural flair. Stop asking which course should I do and start asking which role actually fits my thinking style. Do you see the difference? So you need exposure before you need specialization. You need to test drive the car before you buy it. This is exactly why I stopped teaching only tools and started teaching career thinking. Tools change, but thinking styles don't. Now, our 6 weeks program, 6 weeks industry exposure program, become job ready AI engineer in 6 weeks, where we go through the fundamentals, AI workflows, system integration, build real world projects, and career fit analysis. So at Schogini Systems, which I founded after decades in IT, we designed this 6 weeks experience for one reason only, to give you clarity before commitment. Not hype, not shortcuts, just structured exposure. Many of the ideas here are refined through constant interaction from my Techie Talks AI channel, where over 37,000 learners follow deep practical discussions on AI, robotics, and system thinking. After all these years in industry, training, certifications, and hands-on building, one truth is clear to me. Direction is the missing layer in modern education. So our 6 week program can give you that direction. So 2026 market doesn't reward memorization. It rewards systems thinking, adaptability, and early clarity. I'm not here because AI is fashionable. I'm here because I have seen technology cycles come and go. From enterprise systems to cloud, from automation to AI, the winners are never the fastest. They are the clearest. If you want to become a job-ready AI engineer in 6 weeks, if you want guidance from someone who has built, trained, hired, visit shogini.com/AI-internship. If this session helped you, remember to like, share with one confused student, comment AI 2026. I will see you inside. Best wishes.